Hello guys, welcome to another Capcut tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can move individual keyframes in Capcut PC. So what you have to do, first let's import your image or the thing that you want to move. Could be easily an image or a video, and I'll just move this. You see here, if I move this from here, I'll add a keyframe from scale, rotation, and position in rotation, and then around here I'll just move, and I will actually add some rotation and increase the size. Something very simple. And now if I press on the keyboard and Alt plus K, very simple. If you press on the keyboard Alt plus K, as you can see here, we have now here a new tab. From here you can control and you can move, you can change the position of a keyframe. Let's say we would like to change the speed for the scale. As you can see here, we can grab this and drag over here, and now our scale is much slower. As you can see, the speed is really decreased a lot, as you can see. Now if you drag it right over here, now is very, now if you move it here, now it's faster. But if you move all the keyframes here, now everything is fast. Rotation is fast, scale is fast. But if you want very slow, you can move the keyframes all the way to the end, and now everything is very slow. So yeah, from here you can change the keyframes, and we can move the keyframes individually. As you can see here, we can move the keyframes the way we want. From here we can also add, so if you press on a scale, on a position, or size, if you double click, you can see here, from here, click here now to expand here. Now here we can change the speed, not only the speed, but the way it like the, what is called, so you can change this curve. So instead of being very slow, so you can change the speed and the way it interacts from here. As you can see, if you drag now this curve will go rotation, it will go more like in a smooth way, as you can see. But you can also change this, and now the speed will change as well. For scale you can change this as well. You can change, so the scale is much bigger now. You can change from here. You can double click and change this curve from curve, auto curve, or free curve, or linear, right? So that's pretty cool. I can change the scale, and now it starts very slow and will increase at the end, as you can see. So yeah, make sure you remember Alt plus key to add this. Alt plus K, remember this command. And yeah, I really hope you find this Capcut PC tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.